guys? It's been the Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Copperhead Strike at Carowinds Theme Park. This is actually pretty high ranked for the coasters in this park. I actually really enjoy this coaster. The most liked comment on our previous video of the new Wonder Woman coaster at Six Flags Magic Mountain comes from Canadian Bard. They said they're so sad they just missed this. They were just in July 6th and the ride just opened last week, so that is a huge bummer. Hopefully you'll be able to plan a trip soon and check it out for yourself. If you're new here, the most liked comment on this video gets read on our next. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.